In this segment, we're going to look at solving some equations and what happens with some of these special problems where you get no solution or all real numbers. So in this case, we're going to distribute here to start with, and you get 6x plus 14 equals 6x minus 3. Now, at this point, you could, if you wanted to add 3 to both sides or subtract the 14, you could. I'm going to go ahead and try to get rid of the x's and kind of combine those. So I have minus 6x here, minus 6x over here. What happens is those are both going to cancel out, and you're left with 14 equals negative 3, which 14 and negative 3 are not equal. When you get two things that are not equal, your answer is no solution. Which means there's no number for x. You can't pick a number for x and plug it in and make it work and make the two sides equal to each other. If you look at this next problem, I'm going to distribute again on both sides. Again, reminder on the fractions, it's going to be 6 times the 2 on top and then divide by 3, so that'll leave you with 4x. And 12 times 2 is 24, divided by 3 is 8. And then on this other side, distribute, and you get 4x plus 8. At this point, you can realize the two sides are the same thing. They're equal to each other. But if you kept going, say you didn't recognize it yet, and you minus the 4x from both sides, you get that 8 equals 8, which is true. So in this case, when two things are actually equal to each other, the two sides are equal to each other, it doesn't matter what numbers you pick, it's always going to be equal to each other. So x can be any number or all real numbers. So the difference is when the two sides end up being equal to each other, that's when all numbers work. Back to this first one, when the two sides don't equal each other, that's when you got no solution.